Welcome to Ballyknocken House and Cookery School. I'm Catherine Fulvio and I wanted to show you a taste of our home. And this here is an Irish coffee. It's classic Irish and we have our own little twist on it, which I'll show you when you get here. But meantime, to make a real Irish coffee, you need the real ingredients, Irish whiskey. So here's a white wine glass. We're going to put our whiskey in. Now to measure the whiskey, I usually say about 2 fingers of whiskey. Now when I say 2 fingers of whiskey, I do mean about 2 fingers this way, not 2 fingers this way, and definitely not this way. So 2 fingers of whiskey, and then you do need a wee bit of sugar with that. So pop in a spoon of sugar, and the next thing is some coffee. Let's go with the coffee. Nice hot coffee, and then you give it all a nice stir and you melt the sugar. That's very important that the flavours blend at this stage. This is a wonderful drink. It's beautiful in the afternoon when you're just sitting around, especially in the autumn, winter, spring, actually any time now that I think of it. Personally, I love it as an alternative to dessert and an after dinner drink. I get my 2-in-1. Can I just show you this? Look at this. This is the Irish cream. Look at the colour of that. That is from grass-fed animals. That's what you get when you come to Ireland. Really good produce. So we give that a little stir and loosen it a little bit. So I've lightly whipped it as it is. Here we go. And here's the trick. You need 2 spoons to make an Irish coffee. So you get your cream like this and 1 spoon like that, and you slide the cream over like that. More cream. And a bit more cream. Go on, look at that. That there is a classic Irish coffee made here at Ballyknocken House and Cookery School. Sláinte, see you soon.